Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka BJP kan lom ya Nongïalam Jong Nongïalam narilom Khasi jantia bat kumjuru narilom Garo. Banyak keren baha Halor ke roster system. Kapade kamat kabathanam baha menta. Nongïalam ke BJP uba AL hack. Ulong ba unse keren ba presiden Jong parti BJP. Hakani ke jala uba Ernest Mauri. Ba ulom ya Nongïalam wat ulong ba ukwaru ba menteri rang ba ke jala unkhot no ya ke kabinet banyak keren Halor kini ke benta.
The other day, last week before leaving to Delhi, had called a meeting here of the senior BJP leaders. We all discussed about this Rasta issue. One, because we have to call the entire leaders of BJP who are from the Jantia Hill district, from the Garo Hill district. We had called only few leaders who are stationed in Shillong. So now we had decided and told our president also, Mr. Ernest Mauri, yesterday. So we want this meeting to be called immediately with all the members, including from Garo Hills, from Jantia Hills, and all the districts, to discuss this very sensitive issue which is prevailing at this present situation in the state of Meghalaya. Government level also, I have seen also in some newspaper, the Honorable Deputy CM, he said that already 3 times had written to High Court or they have told, I don't know, but that is only the press notes I've seen. So that is there, the government has been taking initiative on this issue. Cabinet, we expecting the Honorable CM will call any point, any time to discuss on this very sensitive issue. If you ask me, that everybody should get justice. The justice is like this, if you ask me. If you see my statement also in the assembly, which I have already mentioned about, why not now the job reservation policy be given priority to the vulnerable society of Khasi, Jantia and Garo, and also some percentage for the established family Khasi, Jantia and Garo. But priority, they should be reserved 50% for Khasi, Jantia, and Garo, the tribal of the vulnerable society. Let this also coming up now. Why only we think about this established people, the well-off people? Give chance to the poor of the poorest people also, to at least have their own, stand on their own feet, have their position, look after the family very well. So that is what I wanted. Now we are getting 40-40, right or not? This 40-40, we make it 50% to the vulnerable society of the tribal of the Khasi, Jantia and Garo, and another 30%, let's go 15% to Khasi, Jantia, let's go 15% to Garo. What's wrong? All 80% will go to our own tribal community only. But in between, even we are doing this, the benefit will come to the poor people of the society of the state of Meghalaya, the tribal people. There's so many vulnerable society, so many poor people. Till today, you will not see from generation to generation that family, they have not given opportunity to get a government job. They have not get the opportunity to get government job. Why we don't know? This family, they are here from the last 100 years. His grandfather is poor, his children is poor, his grandchildren is poor, his generation is poor. Why not feel and think for those family who have not been given this opportunity, at least one government job, to these people who have not been got this opportunity to work as a government employees. Ask me personally, I have been dealt with the poor people for the last 6 elections. Prior to that also, I have been working as some way or around, some way or the others, as the, to serve the people in the society. I've seen there's so many generations just has passed, but they cannot come up That generation, we have seen that 3 generation, 4 generation, not even a single, after they qualify also, they have got the education, qualification, but they have not been given at least one opportunity to serve as a government job, as other government employees. We don't know whether they have applied or not applied for the jobs. We cannot say this. That's why I'm saying you, we have to go through the living society, the living world, that we have to go through this. Wherever we see that we are where we can do better for serving the people or giving service to the people, we should improve ourselves.